Mark. You look really worried.
Yeah, I am.
What happened?
I lost something.
Oh no. What did you lose?
My phone.
Your phone?
Yeah, I can't find it anywhere.
That's stressful.
Very stressful.
Where did you last see it?
I don't know.
Oh,
I was using it and then it was gone.
that's the worst feeling.
Yeah, I feel so nervous.
Okay, let's stop right here. Imagine you are Mark. You lost your phone. You want to tell someone. What would you say?
I don't know.
That's normal. So here's the sentence. I lost my phone.
Oh, I lost my phone.
Perfect. Very simple.
Yeah, very clear.
Let's repeat. I lost my phone.
I lost my phone.
Good. Now say it more naturally.
I lost my phone.
Yes, that sounds real.
Yeah, I feel it.
Now let's go back to your situation. You talk to someone. What do you say?
I lost my phone.
Perfect. That is exactly what you should say. Now let's make it more real.
Okay.
You are worried.
Very worried.
So you say this. I can't find my phone.
Oh, I can't find my phone.
Perfect. Very natural. Now combine it.
Okay. I lost my phone. I can't find it.
Excellent. That sounds very real.
Yeah, I like this.
Now let's build a full situation.
Okay.
What's wrong?
I lost my phone. I can't find it.
Oh no. Where did you last see it?
I don't know.
Perfect. That is real life English. But let's continue your situation.
Okay.
You lost your phone.
Yes.
Now you want to ask someone.
Right.
What do you say?
Imagine you are in a cafe.
You think you left your phone there. What would you say?
I don't know.
That's normal. So say this. Have you seen my phone?
Oh, have you seen my phone?
Perfect. Very useful. Let's repeat. Have you seen my phone?
Have you seen my phone?
Good. Now more natural.
Have you seen my phone?
Yes, that sounds real. Now full situation.
Okay. Excuse me, have you seen my phone?
No, I haven't.
Oh, okay.
Perfect. Now let's go further.
Okay.
You want help,
Yes.
so you ask directly.
Okay.
Say this. Can you help me find it?
Oh, can you help me find it?
Perfect. Very natural. Now combine it.
Okay. I lost my phone. Can you help me find it?
Excellent. That sounds very real.
Yeah, I like this.
Full situation.
Okay. I lost my phone. Can you help me find it?
Sure.
Oh, thank you.
Perfect. Now let's make it more detailed.
Okay.
The person asks you, what does it look like?
Oh.
What do you say? Keep it simple. It's black.
Oh. It's black.
Perfect. Or, it's a black phone.
Oh. It's a black phone.
Very good. Now add one more detail. It has a case.
Oh. It has a case.
Perfect. Full answer.
Okay. It's a black phone. It has a case.
Excellent. That is very clear. Now let's add a real problem.
Okay.
You think you left it somewhere, but you're not sure.
Right.
So you say this, I think I left it here.
Oh. I think I left it here.
Perfect. Very natural. Or, I think I dropped it.
Oh. I think I dropped it.
Perfect. Now, full situation.
Okay. I lost my phone. I think I left it here. It's a black phone with a case.
Okay.
Can you help me find it?
Sure.
Oh, thank you.
Perfect. That is real life English. Now, Mark, let's continue.
Okay.
You are still looking for your phone,
Yes.
and suddenly,
What?
you remember something.
Oh.
What do you say?
Hmm.
You say, "Wait, I remember."
Oh. Wait, I remember.
Perfect. Very natural. Now you remember where you were.
Okay.
So you say this, "I think I left it on the table."
Oh. I think I left it on the table.
Perfect. Very clear. Now let's go further.
Okay.
You go back to that place,
Yes.
and you see something.
Oh.
So you say this, "I think that's my phone."
Oh. I think that's my phone.
Perfect. Now you are not 100% sure.
Okay.
So you check. Is this yours?
Oh. Is this yours?
Perfect. Very useful. Now the good situation.
Okay.
You found your phone.
Finally.
Yes. So what do you say?
Hmm.
You say this, "I found it."
Oh. I found it.
Perfect. Very simple. Now let's add emotion.
Okay.
You feel relieved.
Yes.
So you say this, "Thank goodness."
Oh. Thank goodness.
Perfect. Very natural. Now another situation.
Okay.
You didn't find your phone.
Oh no.
So you say this, "I think it's really gone."
Oh. I think it's really gone.
Perfect. Now you decide to report it.
Okay.
So you say this, "I lost my phone."
Oh. I lost my phone.
Perfect. Very clear. Now, full real life situation.
Okay. I lost my phone. I can't find it anywhere.
Oh no.
Wait, I remember.
What?
I think I left it on the table.
Okay.
I think that's my phone.
Is it yours?
Yes. I found it.
Oh, good.
Thank goodness.
Perfect. Now, Mark, how do you feel?
Honestly, much better.
Why?
Because now I know what to say in that situation.
Exactly.
Before, I was just panicking.
And now?
Now I can explain, ask for help, and describe the situation.
That's the key. You don't need perfect English. You need clear communication.
Yeah, simple sentences really help.
Exactly. So tell me, what do you say first?
Easy. I lost my phone.
Good. If you can't find it.
I can't find it anywhere.
Perfect. If you find it.
I found it.
Excellent. That is real life English.
Yeah, I feel ready now.
Good. Keep practicing every day,
I will.
and you will improve step by step.
Thank you, Anna.
You're welcome.